In order to display the information about the screen refresh rate on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first we need to go to the settings, scroll all the way down and go to About Phone, and we need to turn on developer options first. So over here, go to software information and keep tapping on build number until you need to enter the screen lock password or until you see the information that you have enabled these developer options. You might also need to confirm that you want to allow development settings, so press OK. Now we need to go back to the settings, scroll down and open the developer options. And here we need to find the information, or actually the option that allows you to display these refresh rate information. So for example, it is over here. It should be in the debugging section. So if you go over here and enable show refresh rate, then over here in the top left corner you will find the information about the screen refresh rate. If you have those red minuses, it means that it is stable, probably 60 FPS, because there is no reason to refresh higher if the image is right now static. But as you can see, if you keep doing anything, it should be updating all the time. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!